Hi, this is Rob. I'm with SkidSteerSolutions.com. I'm here to introduce you to the Scorpion Boom Arm, and with it we have attached the Cyclone 48-inch rotary cutter. What we'll do is we'll kind of go through some of the features and benefits of each of those and give you a little bit of an introduction to each one of them. This is the Eterra 48-inch Cyclone head. So looking at this mower head, you can see that it has a tube clamp design here. And what that tube clamp does is it allows you to take this off the Scorpion, and there's different adapters that can go on this, so you can actually run this on a backhoe, or you can run it on an excavator, or any other thing that you find a purpose for. There's different size motors, so we can match the flows, so that no matter what type of operation you want to run this mower head in, it's up for the task. Again, anything that comes from Eterra, you can always count on it being able to handle multi-functions and also being very, very stout. If you look here, these are two pieces of 1-inch plate that are actually supporting the arm. And this mower is made to be able to take a hit as well as this boom arm. So if you hit something solid, it's either going to push it over or it's going to move the machine. This unit can take a solid hit and keep on going. We have full drilled pins here so that it's very easy to access the grease points. Everything we have is greasable. It takes a minimal amount of time to get them up and greased. So just before you go and do a project in the morning, you just want to walk through, grease each point, just check it, make sure that it's accepting grease, and you're good to go. All of our hoses are buried up inside here. Again, this is 1-inch steel plate, so there's no way you're going to damage the hoses if you hit something. It's all protected. The boom arm, when we get out here, we have an 1.5-inch pin. That's our main pin. Again, that's designed so that you can hit something solid and it's going to actually spin your machine around. Again, look at the competitors. Everything that's so light duty that you see out there, they hit something, it's in for repair. You're buying parts, you're trying to find parts for it so that you can repair it. This arm is designed to go up and down, so this gives you your height adjustment. And then if we go farther down here, we've got a cylinder here that handles our angle adjustment. And what this enables us to do is if we're going along a ditch line or something, we can angle the blade so that we get a perfect cut every time. We use a Permco USA motor. This is one of the larger series. It's a M257 series. We use Timken bearings all the way throughout. If you look at how it's supported, it's absolutely amazing. Look at any of the competitors, mowers that are in this class, and they have a little tiny gearbox that usually originated in India or China, and they have a tiny little motor on the back. Look at the motor that we use here. Look at the hub that it joins into. And then when we get underneath, you're going to see a very heavy blade bar. This is a definite distinction of what you see between our competitors and the Eterra Cyclone. The Eterra Cyclone features a 1-inch thick T1 blade bar with two 9-pound forged blades. What the competitors usually have is a spun steel disc with a brush hog style blade. So it's a very, very light duty blade. All that it's really designed to take is very light material. We have a proprietary valve system that was developed over 10 years ago for our boom arms, and this thing works incredibly well. We actually have had no warranties on this. We've never had to replace any pieces, any parts, or anything. So we know that it's a solid design. What it does is it takes the flow from your machine, runs it through a proprietary system that gives the majority of the flow to the head, and then just a small amount of control off to the boom arms. And it does this just with two inputs from the hydraulics. And then what we have is a power circuit. All the power circuit does is run the receiver. And the receiver is a wireless remote receiver. And what we do is we have this little remote control. This little remote control enables you then to just have power to the mower, and you can take this mower arm and you can put this on any machine. So today I'm running it on a Bobcat, but say tomorrow the Bobcat breaks down or something happens, we can go off to another manufacturer's machine, go to a rental yard, whatever, put this mower on another machine. All we have to do is give it power and we're off and running. We hope you've enjoyed this product introduction video of the Scorpion Boom Arm mounted with a Cyclone 48-inch rotary cutter. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel, or visit us at our website, SkidSteerSolutions.com.